So as a result of working with the cohort, we have been able to save tens of thousands of dollars.
In the automotive world, they are requiring more and more carbon reduction activities. We have already started, but we want to enhance our capability and to see what, say, industry standards are doing.
The main goal of our sustainability cohort is to empower organizations to develop the business processes needed to identify, implement, and sustain the improvements of pollution prevention initiatives while integrating them into their business strategic plan.
We started with a basic scorecard and assessment of how we thought we were at that point, and then each month we built on that.
So this program opened up our eyes. What we kind of assumed before we came into this wasn't actually true.
I thought that the air conditioning systems would be the worst. My boss thought the injection machines would be the worst. Well, we were both surprised when we found out that it wasn't. It was our chiller system. Through the data loggers, we were able to establish that the chillers were battling each other. They're self-sufficient now. They turn off when they're not needed at all instead of just running nonstop. The savings on that has been tremendous.
During the cohort, we foster a culture of continual improvement and sustainable improvement and help companies align their corporate social responsibility initiatives with the Sustainable Development Goals.
On one of our meetings, we were talking about our new solar panels, and we were talking about the next phase. Someone mentioned that we could apply for a grant. It wasn't that hard to apply. When we got our approval, we were approved for the full $300,000. We anticipate saving about $5,000 a month on just the solar.
My experience working with Piolax has always been rewarding. Every time I work with them, and it's been a partnership for over 8 years, I can see how they improve their environmental performance as they grow their business.
This program kind of directed us into where we can spend our time and efforts and money and get the most savings.
I would tell anyone who has the opportunity, whether you think you'll like it or not, to try it. It will open your eyes to things you did not know.